What's up guys, it's Claudia. Welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be sharing another spring haul with you guys today. If you've been watching my videos, you know that majority of my wardrobe is thrifted at this point. But that being said, I do really love to invest in designer pieces sometimes, pieces that are just super special, smaller designers, newer brands, and pieces that I just know I won't find at the thrift store. I definitely love to look at Ssense because they do, I think it's once or twice a year, they do like a really big sale. So that's what I did recently. I did purchase a lot. I'm gonna be returning some of them. I'm telling you this right now because I spent way too much money, but I wanted to order them, try them on. We're very much building a curated wardrobe, and that includes quality pieces, designer pieces that I love. I don't want to get into explaining because I don't feel I have to, but yeah, I'm just very excited. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and let's get into it. I can't believe I haven't opened this box after having it a week, but I really just wanted to unbox it with you guys. The box is quite full. Okay, I'm gonna start off with the piece that I probably had in my cart the longest. It's labeled as a dead stock lace thumbtastic top in bubble pink, and this is from Collina Strada. It's kind of like a turtleneck, mock neck style, but I loved how exaggerated and long the sleeves are on this. I think it's going to be so stunning to style. I love to wear super oversized baggy jeans, and because this is such a long and fitted top, I think it's going to look so pretty together. It is slightly sheer, so I think it can also be styled really great with just a pretty bralette under. And I would also totally layer this. So many options for how to wear it and how to actually use it with other pieces in your wardrobe, and I think that's really important too when you're investing in a piece. Okay, I'm gonna open the largest thing next. I have never ordered from this brand before. I've seen some of their pieces just on Instagram and stuff, and it looked so freaking cool. So I ordered 2 pairs of shoes from them. Are you kidding me? Kind of like bubble slingback lace-up sandals. I also haven't been into open-toe shoes in I feel like a really long time, but I think these are the way to go if I'm going to get back into styling that sort of look. The color of them is just everything. I love the pink and olive. That's totally what drew me to them, along with just the overall bubble shape. It's so iconic. It even has a grape logo here. I just realized. The other one has stars on that side, and this one has the logo. I think we might as well look at both grape shoes and just see, like, do I really need both? I feel like I do, but I probably shouldn't. Loving their packaging so much. These ones are a pair of sneakers, which I really liked because sneakers I feel like are very everyday. Inside the box, there's a postcard and stickers. So cute. I need to check this. Okay, confirmed. They sent me the wrong pair of shoes, so that's kind of shitty. The pair I got are heels. They are completely stunning. I do love everything about them. They have the grape logo on the front with a rhinestone. You guys know I love that detail. I don't think I'm gonna keep these because I don't really need heels. Okay, the next thing I ordered was a top from the brand Miaou. I really loved this t-shirt because it comes with a bit of like a built-in corset, and I love the structure of it. It looks like it'll be a very flattering top. I was debating between the cream, which is what I picked up, and the black one, but I almost feel like the corset will show better on the cream. The material just looks so comfortable and like sporty, so I feel like this is a really great piece for spring and summer that you absolutely could layer, but it'll also just look incredible on its own. And I do own a few pieces by Miaou already, and I love them. I was interested in purchasing some of their like actual corsets, but they're definitely more pricey. Then I picked up a pair of Marc shorts. I love that they're like a pair of baggy sweat shorts that are quite long, like boyfriend shorts, and then you can pair them with a top that's more fitted, more girly. And I love that combination. That's like how I would describe my style. I actually think they'd look really great with this top. This piece I also had my eye on for a while. This kind of like sports inspired t-shirt by Anna Sui. I absolutely love her as a designer, and I love all of her pieces. And I am always looking for chic t-shirts that I can wear on a daily basis, and I don't know about you guys, but I find thrifting good tops very difficult, especially like vintage t-shirts and stuff like that, and they can be quite pricey once you go into like curated t-shirts. Plus I love that it's kind of that sporty chic style, which obviously I'm into, and I think you can just wear this so many ways. I also found this really beautiful, more dressy piece from her, and I thought this would just look stunning in the summer as like a beach top, going out top. You can wear this with like baggy oversized jeans, you can wear this with a mini skirt, you can wear this during the day, you can wear it going out, and I feel like that's the type of piece that I've been looking for a long time. I don't have too many kind of going out tops that I love at the moment, and I just thought this one would be a really great one. They also had it in more of like a turquoise color. One of the other more expensive pieces I picked up that I'm not sure I'm going to keep is actually this corset from Kathryn Bowen. She's from Toronto, and I've been in love with her pieces for a really long time, but again, they're out of my usual price range. I love that it's like a corset style tube top. I think tube tops are not only going to be super in this year, but I also just love how easy they are to wear. I think they're so great to style. Obviously the tailoring is just everything. It just looks like a piece that's going to be super, super flattering. It's slightly sheer, which I really love as well. So next up, I got a pair of pants, and this is another item that I had in my cart for a really long time. I love that they're actually a bit of like a cropped capri length, and because they're black and they have this like really nice tailoring across, I think they're going to be super flattering. These are going to be so perfect for spring. I know they might look like a pair that you can thrift because they are just black capris, but I've been on the lookout for black capris for a long time at the thrift store, and I have not been able to find a pair that's good enough, that fits me well, that's low-waisted, which is what I'm looking for. And so I figured it might just be worth getting these, and I can just picture them being styled in so many different ways. So we're on the last two items now, and these are both from the same brand. What I really loved about these is that they are pieces that again can be layered or worn on their own. And so the first item is actually a two-piece. I love that this is like a cropped bolero. The second piece to it is a tube top, and this piece is obviously very simple. It's a stretchy fabric. I think this was actually labeled as a bikini top, which I thought was interesting too. I don't have too many sets in my wardrobe, so I think that's kind of a nice thing as well. But they will also look really, really great paired with other pieces. The tube top can just be a super simple, like basic summer piece, and I love that I finally found something like this to layer with other tops because I love the look of that. Similar idea, I picked up a long sleeve version. It will be really great for spring layering, just to be a little bit warmer. Honestly, this paired with like a bikini or something I think would also be really cute. Not maybe the most practical, but styling wise I think it would be a really great look. Okay, so that's it for my Essence spring haul. I really hope that you guys enjoyed. I'm in love with every single piece I picked up, but I need to go try them on now and see which ones I'm actually keeping. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.